pee this morning. My face looks so like nice and slim. I'm telling y'all, I don't notice weight loss until it's on my face. Like a quick breakfast. I know I don't really do the coffee thing. I will do like a latte because pumpkin spice season. Yes, but not really. So yeah, I'm tearing up that English muffin, turkey bacon, and egg white sandwich from Starbucks because I was literally starving. I had to run off the unit and go take a break because girl was about to pass out the way my assignment was so busy. But yes, I'm at work for my first day of 3 in this week. And obviously, you're not going to get any footage of me in patient care areas because, first of all, I value my license. I worked very hard for this. But second of all, it's not appropriate. HIPAA, patient privacy. Yeah, so no. But I will give you an example of how things might look like. You can see here in this stock video that I got for free online. Sometimes we get little babies just like this. This is a micro preemie who has multiple pieces of respiratory support, has an A line, has all kinds of lines. So when we're doing our cares, which is typically every 3 hours, can be every 4 hours, can be every 6 hours. It just depends on the particular child. This is what we do. This is a baby on Billy Lights. As you can see, sometimes kids, when they have high bilirubin or hypobilirubinemia, as the actual term, they go under these blue lights, which helps their body to break down the bilirubin, and that's because their livers are immature and they can't process it. So yeah, I might have a kid like this as well. They're always super cute. Sometimes they're squirmy because it's crap on their face and they don't want that crap on their face. So you know, we do what we gotta do, keep them comfortable. And yeah, I just love it. I love my littles. I love my baby so much. I am walking to my vehicle, guys. Well going, guys, good morning. I'm getting ready for the day. I got some errands to run. This is my first day off in a long time, and I need to do some self-care stuff. I need to do my nails. Like, please look at this ghetto. I need to get a wax. I was supposed to be doing my individual eyelash extensions, but we're gonna reschedule that for another day because I just can't be bothered today. And I got some house cleaning to do. How have you guys been though? It's been a minute. It's been a minute. We are here now. Just using this. I'm using this liquid exfoliant. I don't know how I feel about the liquid exfoliant though, because I kind of like feeling the beads. Like I feel like it's actually doing something to my hairs. The liquid just kind of burns, you know. Come on, Celine. And you are my man. Yes, boo. Whenever you reach for me, I do all that I can. I listen to Celine Dion almost every single morning. You guys have a pattern that you always take when you're doing your face wash? Like, I just be doing anything. Like, if I feel like a spot looks darker than the other, I'm gonna just be like, get that. Look at that breakout trying to come. I rebuke thee in the name of the Lord. My skin routine is very minimal. Very minimalistic, guys. Very minimal. For the longest time, it was just water. Just water and a white cloth so I can see. Yeah. So kind of just pat this in and let it sit for a little bit. Okay, this is good enough to run some errands. Oh, breakouts are coming. The red coats are coming. The red coats are coming. This place is so cute. Okay, guys, so I'm getting my pedicure. I hope you can hear me well in my headphones. It's very cute in here, though. I'm definitely trying to find a new spot that's like my usual spot. Probably won't be here because I've shown it to y'all, and that's not safe. But look, we gotta get it together.
Wasn't like natural position, like she was all twisted up kind of. It was like they jerked and their back end was facing like out.
What will happen is these two will kind of merge together and you're going to end up with Pittsburgh being really tough to get around tomorrow morning. It'll start up in Scranton or New York even as a mix and then go over to rain, especially at the coast up to.
Now on this contract, I take all of my breaks if I can because they're going to take out my paycheck regardless. So I'm in the break room right now, just taking a little 30 minutes. You get 30 minutes in an hour and you only get paid for 11 hours and 50 minutes. So I'm taking my break. So this is my third shift for the week and I was super excited because Thanksgiving was tomorrow. But once again, I'm not going to record any patient care areas. This is just an example of how a patient bed could be. And honestly, any shift where I don't have to code a baby is a great shift. And I didn't code a baby, so this was a good shift, okay? This particular travel assignment that I'm on is very busy. I honestly really love the hospital. I love the facility. I love the people. They're very friendly and helpful. And the patient population is cool as well. So I just really, really like it. And yeah, I'm having a good time with this assignment. Though the assignments from day to day are ghetto, honestly, sometimes 3 patients that are very busy, but you know, that's the reason why they need me. They need the extra hands because they're short staffed and the patients need us. And oh, look at this little one, so cute. I'm telling you, I fall in love with my patients all the time. Their parents, like, we become family. So working in the NICU is definitely something that brings me a lot of joy, even though this is not a long-term plan for me. I just, for now, I really love it, and it's very fulfilling. I just ordered this salmon teriyaki with veg. This is like shrooms and stuff, and yeah.
With them because of you. I don't call Tay, I don't call Jody. So they're your friends. Okay. But I'm cool with them. I'm cool with most of your friends, right?
Okay.
So all I'm saying, I don't have friendly interactions that much now with my friends. So it might mean that I need to take a break.
Come drink some water. Come get some water. Custom made right here.
Not your wine front and center.
MelisaMarie.
Rich like time for the judge and the boss. Bad long time for the button up. We don't mix our finger. Let money full of chips like Pringle. Run them a clip on single. Holding up. For the Lord of yours, I got a lot of people. From them apart, I got a lot of people. From them apart, in a chichi man can. Give me fire, make me burn them. From them I drink in a chichi man can. Anybody can let's fuck with them walk.
Good morning, guys. Wagwan. Welcome back to my channel. If you're brand new or if you're a returning subscriber, I'm happy you're here regardless. Oh shoot, it's December. I could try and do Vlogmas. That might be a little bit much for me. Damn. Zam, Zaddy, Zam. Anyway, sorry guys. Hello, good morning. No, actually I need to go to the Apple store to get a new laptop because part of me editing and stuff requires me to get a new laptop, and then also I want to get a new phone. So we're gonna see if we can accomplish those two things today, so just come along for the ride. And then yeah, I don't know what's going on with Vlogmas. I don't know why that just came to my mind, but we'll see while I'm going with that because I really don't know. But anyway, I hope you guys have been well. Life, you know, it's been quite busy, so yeah, I just pulled over real quick, but I'm about to touch the road. I just left Xfinity because I'm trying to upgrade my phone. I just got bad news. Basically, where I moved to in New Jersey, Xfinity does not service there. So in order for me to upgrade my phone, I would have to have the internet service, which I can't get because they don't service it. And so yeah, basically I can't upgrade my phone with them, and their recommendation was to go to a new company, which is crazy because companies don't ever say that. So but it's interesting because I was already researching T-Mobile because they have like this satellite feature that I'm really interested in because I'm spending so much more time in Jamaica, and with the hurricane and everything like that, certain parts are just still not having coverage. Digicel, Flow, whoever, they're still not doing what needs to be done. So I'm probably going to go to T-Mobile, but first I'm going to go to Apple because my priority is getting the new laptop so that I can actually edit and not get frustrated. And then also I have homework and things like that. Like, I'm still a grad student, so I'm going to go to Apple first and then T-Mobile and then back home. So we'll see how this goes.
And compare this one. It's very civilized. Even there are
So nice and light.
and they like, I don't care about the capacity. Just want to have something that doesn't hurt me. And you're probably not going to notice the difference between that and this one. Yeah. It's a little lighter, but it's nice to have the screen. Hi.
Hello.
Good.
Yeah. That feels a little heavy.
Is that what?
Feels a little heavy. Is it me?
Yeah. Ours should be a little heavier. Did you want us to recycle
Okay guys, I'm back in the car, about to get out of here. I'm about to head home. I got everything done. God is good. Okay, God is good. I really didn't expect to get everything done today, so I'm very much in shock, but like in a good shock, because I didn't want to spend a whole heap of money. I spend a good amount of money, but I'm alright with it still. I ended up going to Auntie Anne's because I couldn't resist. So yeah. So you know how like when you get a new device, you have to like set it up and stuff? Yeah. I don't know any of my information. I don't know. Oh my clap. I got left, right, center. I don't know. I don't know my information. I don't know my passwords. I don't know my CSV, CVS, whatever codes for my cards, my Apple Pay. So it's been definitely a time, but I'm so excited to have a new phone. It has better camera quality, so of course I'm very, very much looking forward to making my new content with the new camera. I got the laptop that will edit much quicker and it won't run out of memory like my current one does. There's been so many times when I've been editing videos and it literally just runs out of memory mid-editing. Like, can you imagine? It pisses me off. It's so discouraged, like, cause I'm not about to be restarting, you know? I'm definitely gonna go ahead and start the editing process and then do some planning for my videos to come. And we're gonna actually have a vlogging plan in case it's not on yet. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys when I get home. So I just have on got a case, guys, actually, finally. I need my tripod. This is low. Okay, shorty finally got a case. I never ever put cases on my phone, but it's a very simple, clear case. Screen protector, I don't know. Oh, does this come with a screen protector? Oh, I didn't know that. I just paid for one. I just paid $60 for one. Bruh. I didn't know this comes with a free screen protector. Bruh. But mine is forever. I can renew it forever. Like, whenever my screen cracks, I can forever, like, redo it. So, look at me with a case, y'all. This is, like, leveling up in life with this case. it's actually quite productive, and I'm very shocked, but honestly just so grateful that God works it out how he did, because you know some things just go on, you have to say nothing but God in that situation, then nothing but God. So I'm just going to show you my goodies. First of all, I'm recording on one, so I got the new iPhone 17 Pro regular size. I don't like the max size, it's too big for my hand. My hand is little, so I don't really care for that. And then I got this new watch. Let me see. I got this new watch. It came free with getting a new device. It's in color midnight. It looks black sometimes and it looks navy blue other times. And then we got this, which I'm so excited about. Goodness. We got this MacBook Air. I was in between getting the Pro and the Air. The deciding factor for me was the price point, because this was literally what, like $800 or something with the student discount or the Black Friday discount, whatever discount it was. So I got this one versus the Pro was going to be $1,600 with the discount or $2,200. Yeah, no. So we got this, and then I also got money off because I traded in one of my devices. I traded in my watch, my old watch, since I got a brand new watch with them. So of course got the watch that I just said, and then this iPhone. So this is the, I don't think it even tells you on the box, but this is the 17 Pro. This is what I'm recording on. The quality is lovely. It's nice and clear. I was definitely trying to get better camera quality, so that's really exciting for me. I'm doing laundry over there, y'all, don't mind. But yeah, and then they gave me like a little blanket just because. Mobile. So before I had Xfinity Mobile, I had Xfinity Mobile for almost like maybe like 3 years or 4 years or so, because I had it in Maryland as well. I think that's when I switched to it, because when you have like a internet service plus the phone service, it becomes very cheap. I think my phone line was like $40, like very cheap. But because I don't have internet service anymore where I live at, they don't service this area. They were trying to, first of all, they weren't letting me upgrade, and they were trying to charge me like $1,000 for some foolishness. I am excited. I'm getting ready to get all of this stuff together. I'm going to open the laptop, try and transfer and connect everything, because I'm still trying to figure out different passwords to different apps that I haven't used in 25 years. Banking and all of that stuff, Apple Pay, everything I need to set up again, because I don't have them on the new phone, of course. So I'm gonna get all of that sorted, do my transfer from my old laptop to my new laptop. So this is the old, which I wanted to trade them into Apple, but when I went to them for the trade, they told me that it was like they were only gonna give me like $100 for the MacBook, and the MacBook is good. So I said I'm gonna take it and sell it on my own, because y'all are out of your mind. So I don't know if you can tell the coloration, but it's like the same color. It's like the same color as my watch, basically. So you can really see that it looks navy, but it's midnight. So sometimes midnight looks black, sometimes midnight looks navy blue. Yeah, this looks like navy right now, but in store it definitely looked black. So, and this matches my watch. No, my watch is a little bit more bluer than this, but yeah. So I'm going to be selling this. I'm probably only going to sell it for like $500, like nothing crazy, but because it's from 2020. But it works perfect. Has the touch, you know, like the touch bar, which I love the touch bar feature. It's like one of my favorite things about this. So, yep. Guys, that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share with a friend. Share with anyone who you think might like this video. And stay tuned for more videos. Look more.
KFC last night from Jamaica.
Okay, I'm spazzing and I'm stressed. I just have to add this last piece of... I have homework. It's Sunday night. I don't know why. What possessed me to go do this today? I didn't know it was going to take all day. This has been a 12-hour process. I got there at like 10 or 11 a.m. and it's now 10:30 p.m. So I literally just have to call the Duo people for my travel contract, because I'm not gonna be able to clock in or out or get into any of the devices tomorrow. I'll see them sending me the new code now so I can get in. I didn't have to call IT for Chamberlain to get back into my portal because I have an assignment due at midnight, but it's midnight Mountain Standard Time is not midnight Eastern Time, so it's really 2 a.m. my time. So I have 4 hours. But I'm just like, yo, I didn't think none of this would be. I didn't think all of this through. So I should have probably did this on a Saturday, not a Sunday, when I know Mondays are so busy for me. But yeah, I'm logging in now and I'm trying to get this stuff done. Ooh, my face so crusty. So yeah.